Can you play eFootball with PS4 or PS5 controller on iPhone? Yes, you can. So you can do this both on the DualShock 4 and the DualSense. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and check your iOS compatibility. So go ahead and open the settings and then click on your profile name. And then once you're inside, click on the current iPhone that you're using. And then from that section, you'll be able to know the version of the iOS that you have on your device. Now, after that, go ahead and put your controller in pairing mode, and then on your iPhone, open settings and head over to Bluetooth, and then tap the controller when it appears under the other devices to pair. Now, after you pair your controller with your iOS device, go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. So open App Store and then go ahead and head over into the search tab. And then from here, go ahead and search for eFootball. And then on the results, go ahead and click on eFootball and then start installing the app on your device by clicking on that get button. Now, once you have installed it, go ahead and open the app on your device and the game should automatically detect the controller. If not, restart the app or repair the controller. And that is how you can basically play eFootball with PS4 or PS5 controller on iPhone.